Do you ship internationally? Perfect, but if you fill in the wrong document, your parcel is stuck in customs. Delays, extra costs, disappointed customers, we all want to avoid that. The framework is getting tougher. Every shipment must be declared precisely. Value, description, origin, HS code. Without this, the shipment is blocked, returned, or taxed on arrival. For shipments outside the European Union, you have two main forms. CN22 for low-value shipments, generally up to €300, sender, recipient, nature, value. CN23, which is more detailed for larger shipments, i.e. quantity, price, charges, signature. Sometimes a commercial invoice, packing list, certificate, notice, or specific documents for hazardous materials, depending on the product. And for Incoterms, who pays for what and when. DAP is still possible, but incurs costs on the consignee side. DDP, on the other hand, avoids unpleasant surprises on delivery. It's often the most worry-free option, depending on your offer and your carriers. How does Shippingbo help you? You create your shipment outside the European Union. Shippingbo automatically detects CN22 or CN23. Pre-fill key fields, origin, value, description, HS code. And then you can customize the price before tax, grouping of items and comments. The multi-print system outputs bordereau CN22 or CN23 labels on the right printer in the right format. In practice, without Shippingbo, you fumble, retype, and cross your fingers. After Shippingbo, you just declare. Your international shipments run more smoothly. And above all, you reassure your customer. With Shippingbo, your customs documents are ready, compliant, and printed in just one click. You reduce blockages, reduce stress, and speed up delivery. Want to secure your exports? Don't hesitate to discover Shippingbo's automatic management of customs documents by requesting a demo. Everyone is talking about efficiency, simplicity, and satisfaction. Shippingbo, a unique language, opportunities everywhere.